Nakikena ka Porsche banyana ba cover ke mang banyana ba cover di tan ke Tyson Mpshe din tan fede kamban fede.
Welcome guys, Tyson Mpshe, I finally bought a car. You check, Bolt, guys, going on. I'm moving, I'm pushing, guys. I'm doing Bolt right now. So if you guys wanna get hooked in my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tyson Mpshe. Check, I just bought my first car. Check it out. Check, come see my car. Come this side, come this side, come this side. Check, Tyson Mpshe. You check. Thank you guys, but you guys have to subscribe. Tyson Mpshe, guys. Thank you for this car. Bafethi, so now you're gonna check inside the car. Come see what's inside the car, Bafethi. I bought this car cash, Bafethi. You check. You want me to tell you how much do you think it is, bro? I bought it cash straight. You check. Tyson Mpshe, we at the spot. But come check it out though. Come check. I didn't show anyone. I just showed you guys first to show you guys that you need to subscribe. So come check inside. Come check inside. Welcome, Bafethi, to my first car, Bafethi. Check. I know, you guys are gonna laugh at me, but actually, bruh, I car, bro. Check. Actually, I'm buying, I'm driving. So I bought this car cash, and I'm very happy for doing it, But the thing is that, I'm kind of shy to show my parents stuff, to say, Mama, I bought a car. But I know she'll be happy, but I feel like this thing is something that I gotta keep on the low key. You check, I can't. But anyway, you check, guys. Pusher. So the next time you see a car like this, just remember it might be Tyson Mpshe. You understand? Every time you see this car passing by on the road, you must make sure that hey, it might be Tyson Mpshe. Plus we in Little Falls, Buffet too. All the ports, Stones Valley, we hate the sport, Baba. You check. But yeah, guys, you check. Me, I'm very happy. You see, I know Buffet too. Some other YouTubers, they be flexing hard with Range Rovers. You know those people. I don't wanna mention people's names on my channel and stuff like that. But this is my shit. You check. So here is gear 5, gear 0, gear 1, neutral and reverse. You check. So by the time you add 5, boy. Need for speed, most advantage. First thing you feel it's going down here, boy. It's going down in these trucks, bro. We get chased by the cops, bro. While you riding this shit, bro. Bro, I'm about to drop this video, I want the hottest shit ever did. You check, especially from Zanzibar, bro. My content has to be heavy. You check. It is what it is, Baba. Me, I talk too much, Baba. See, people know me there, I talk too much. I come to the streets every time in a rush. It's Tyson Mpshe, me, I freestyle all the time. I come to the streets, then I see who's that guy. Then I see, that's that other guy that other guy in there, middle of the night.